Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Ahmad Zhofran, as you know. So today I will make a tutorial. My tutorial it's about a new tutorial that is CCNA, and today we don't need to use an FANG or something else like that because there's an official software from Cisco. So the our material for this semester is Cisco, actually CCNA, and this is the basic. I will give you a tutorial about the basic things in Cisco. So there is so many aspect for the Cisco. The first things that is I want to give now to you. It's about there is motd message of Dell. I will give tutorial. There's a setting password and adding an IP address. So that is the basic things that we learn in Cisco. Or maybe I will give it four. There is a host name. This is like giving you some host name in your device, like router or switch. So there's a name for your device. Okay. So from now uh, we will make something that is we just giving a router. So there's so many type of device in here. There are a network device and device or like device like printer and PC printer phone and others. There's there's type of end device, and then the components. This one is the board like that component. There's a cables or connection. We we use automatic use connection type because there are so many type of that. There's crossover crossover cable, and then there is straight through. There is the cables is from the other device like uh, if you place this uh, wait if we place this router with the other router like this is the same type of router. So if we want to connect them like uh, this, it will be a cross cable. So, but if we adding some PC like this one, if we adding some PC, wait, oh wait, if we adding some PC like this using fast Ethernet, wait, it should wait like this. Okay, it will be cross line like this, and then if wait, if we adding some piece of uh, s- network device like switch, hubs, wireless device, security, and then one emulation. So if we're adding some switch like this one, and we add the cable, it will be a strike cable, strike throw cable. So if the So if the device is different, the network device is different, it will be a strike cable, not a cross cable. That is the basic tips of the cable. And then we just adding some router, some PC. Okay, like that. So the first is we go to the router. We open the router with double click. It can be double click, and it will be like this one. It will be like this one. And then we start use CLI or command line interface, and we just answer no this thing, and then we just getting started like this. So in here we didn't need like a micro tick. You can drag and drop with mouse. No, we just need to type like FANG, like MTCRA. But in here there's three type of user. The first is only normal user. It only can log in, and the second is uh, what monitoring user for monitoring, and this next is configurator, is for configuration. And the first is we need to enter the monitoring router, control router, this with n, or it can be enable like this, and we just go to the monitoring user. And if you want to like adding some settings, you it uh if you want to add in some settings, you can type conf t like this one. It will be a config on configuration. So if you want to make like motd message of the day, we need to type banner motd like this. No, this bad line. There is just to use banner motd with the special letter. It can be underscore or strip like that, and we must to enter the text message, and we must to end the text message with the character, the same things that we do in the previous code, like banner motd with underscore. If you want to setting that is, you can type like welcome, welcome, like this one. We must to end this text with underscore, like this one. So if we want to check if our code is right or not, we can go to the exit first, and then exit again until the the normal user. That is, there's a type of text that is welcome. So the next tutorial, okay, so the function of the that code is there's no function, or just like personalized, like you can be like just modification. Then you can go to const again. Okay, we will do some basic things, that is setting password. There's two type of password, that is type 7 and type 5, and I right now I will using type 5 because this is the strongest one. So the first is we must to click enable. The example we will do is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this one, this is the secret code. This is the secret code or the password. And then after that we just enter like this one. If you want to check this true or not, you can exit again until this one. If you want to enable, you must to set the password like that. You can type 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this one. So we go to the monitoring method. There is conf t. Okay. If you want to delete the the configuration, we just type no enable secret 1 2 3 4 5 6. This one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, wait. Okay, so I forget for the delete, and then there's two type. If we if you use the type 7, it's not the strongest one, so we use the type 5 only. So we just that for me. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we just said assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.